First, I would like to express my sincerest thanks to those persons who subscribe in my channel. It motivates me to create more video contents like this, so thank you guys for your trust. Hey internet, this is Randy from Rhandz Graphix. Welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to create an awesome and super cool typography animations by using CC Cylinder and CC Sphere. These are some of the effect features in After Effects that creates a very interesting look in your animations. I will show it to you guys how it works, so let's jump inside After Effects. Let me start by creating composition, new composition, and I will name it text. The resolution is 1920 by 200. 30 frames per second and 10 seconds duration. The background is black. And then I will create layer, new, solid, and the color will be white. And I will grab the text tool, type in creative typography. I'm using Franklin Gothic Heavy, only regular, but you can use whatever font you want. And the color probably is orange. Align it to horizontal center and vertical center. And then I will create a new composition. I will name it text series. I will change the width to about 800. And then the height will be 1920. The color of the background, I will probably use red because it's easier for me to see because of my vision is blurry. But you guys, if you are having a good vision, it's okay if you don't use red, just use black if you want to. And then after that, I will drop down this text and then click R on my keyboard and change this value to 90 degrees. And then move it somewhere here at the side. And then duplicate it 4 times by clicking Ctrl D. 3 times only, not 4 times. And then what I will do next is to view the rollers. Create a guide here. And move this and then make your composition setting to be black. And then I will click 1 or 2 of this and I will do some effect on it, color correction, tint, and I will swap the colors. I will Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy this one and click this center text and I will paste it and clear the guides, move it upwards a bit. And then I will create a new composition and I will name it animation 1. I will change this value here. The width is 1920 and then the height will be 1080. And then I will drop down this text series, click R for the rotation, and I will change the value in here to about -90. Find the effect CC Cylinder. Go to the Y rotation. So I have to create an expression on it by clicking the stopwatch. And then type time times 20. I will change the light here to 100%. So this is the effect of CC cylinder. So what I will do next is to click the text series layer here and then highlight it and then press P on my keyboard and move this shape up and then make a composition, new composition, and I will name it animation 2. And the same settings in here, and I will just click OK. I will drag the animation 1 down on my timeline. Now you can see it in here. I will apply an effect called CC sphere. Go to perspective and click CC sphere. I will change the value in here, the radius probably larger, and then I will change the rotation to about -90. And now you can see in here that it's already beginning to reveal the donut shaped light, and then I will increase the light to 100%. So we will try to play it. Super cool and very nice. So we are now done with our tutorial for today, and my thoughts is that everything that we created begins in the mind. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell so that you will be updated to all the videos that I'm gonna be creating. You will not miss it. Thanks guys. God bless.